Robert Bruce was the King of Scotland. He was a good ruler and a brave warrior. King Edward dominated Scotland at that time. So Robert Bruce wanted to gain freedom. That's why he fought against the English. He met the English soldier in 6 battles one by one. But each time he was defeated. At last he lost heart and gave up the hope of success. He was returned and he took shelter in a cave. One day he was lying in the cave. He was thinking about his misfortune. A spider drew his attention. The spider was trying to reach the ceiling of the cave, but it failed again and again, but it did not give up its hope. It had already failed 6 times. At 7th attempt, it became successful. The spider encouraged the king and raised a new hope. Robert Bruce gathered his army and went on battle again. His army killed the English soldier and Scotland became successful at last. Robert Bruce celebrated his victory.